Hey guys, welcome to Riva Academy, and in this tutorial we are going to look at changing the theme from light mode to dark mode in your Flutter application. Okay, so we started by creating the default counter app, and I will remove these extra comments, and I will also remove these two classes so that we can start with a clean slate. Okay, I will create a stateless widget by the name my home page. And I will remove this title parameter from here, and instead of container this will return a scaffold, right? And I will add the app bar and the title text to this app bar. See, Flutter app. Okay, now we are going to use the provider package for this example. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to add this dependency in our pubsec YML file. Right, so let us go there and add the dependency provider. Okay, we are going to use this provider package. I have already made a detailed video on provider. You can also check that out. Okay, so now this pubget is running, which will add the dependency in our application. Okay, now let us go back to our main.dat file. Right, so now the first step in using a provider in your application is to create a class with the change notifier. So here I am going to create a class theme mode with change notifier. Right, what we need to do is we need a switch where we will change the theme to light mode and dark mode. So that is the reason we will create a boolean variable, say light mode, and by default it will be true. And I will create a function, say change mode, okay, which will just change the variable from true to false or false from true. Okay, a simple negation, and then I will call notify listeners, okay, which will in turn notify all the wired widgets. I will show you how. Okay, so this is the first step in implementing provider in your application, is to create a class with the change notifier. Okay, now we have to lift the state up, okay, which means making it available to the base. But before that, what I will do is add this import of provider. Okay, right, and I will wrap this main class with the change notifier provider. Okay, wrap it with a widget and change notifier. Okay, why this auto is not coming? Okay, no problem, I'll just type it, change notifier provider. Okay, and add the parameter create. Okay, and over here we have to pass the name of the class which we have created with change notifier. So in this case our class name is theme mode. Okay, we have to pass the name of the provider. Okay, here our provider is theme mode. In case there are more than one provided class used, we can use multi-provider. Right, you can check out my previous video for that. Cool. So now we have wrapped this main class with the change notifier provider. Right, now we have to go to our material app. Okay, here there is this parameter brightness. Okay, here it is brightness.dark or brightness.light. Okay, so accordingly we have to make the changes in this part. Right, so we can access the state with provider.off. Okay, so I will create a final variable thmode provider.off, and we have to specify the type over here, that is theme mode. Okay, and then we will access our boolean variable which we have created. Okay, if our boolean variable is true, that is thmode dot underscore light mode. If this variable is true, then set the theme to light. Otherwise, we will set the theme to dark. Cool. Now this is done over here. Okay, so now we have accessed the state using provider.off. Okay, so whenever there will be any changes, okay, there is already notify listeners present, so it will notify over here. Okay, I have just hot restarted my app so that everything works fine. Right, here by default we have set the light mode to be true, and hence by default it is true. Okay, if you want you can make by default light mode as false, and just hot restart the app once and check. By default this will become dark mode. Okay, we have changed the value of our boolean variable in our provider class, and accordingly the changes are happening now. Okay, I will change back to the true. Okay, so by default our light mode is on. Okay, so now what we will do is we will add a switch over here, right, to make it on and off. Okay, we will go to the body, okay, and add a switch over here. I will add one center widget. Okay, you can add wherever you want in your settings page or wherever. Okay, so I will add the switch value. Okay, let me put by default true over here, and on change method null. Okay, when I save and hot reload, you can see that this is disabled because the method is null over here. So let me add say bool val. Okay, this on change method will take this parameter. Okay, so by default it is true over here. Let me format the document so that it gets properly visible. Okay, cool. Now what we will do is we will make the default value of this switch to our boolean variable of our provider class. Okay, so if that value is true, and so that our light mode is on, and accordingly. Okay, so I will again use this provider.off to access the state or the variables of our provider class. Okay, and set the value default value of our switch. Okay, and then we will go to on change function, and over here also we will call our function which we have made in our provider class change mode. Right, this will simply change the value from true to false or false to true. Right, okay, this will simply change the value. Okay, and we have already written notify listeners. Okay, so it will notify the wired widgets accordingly. Now let us check everything. Right, if you simply make this switch on and off, our theme will be changed. Right, now let us do one more thing. Let us add some text over here and then test again. So I will wrap this with a column. Okay, and add some text over here. Say text change theme. Okay, or say you can also add the text change to light mode, whatever you want. Okay, I will make this column alignment to be center, and now you can see if I change it to the dark theme, the text also changes to the white and accordingly. Right, so I hope you got the concept of using provider to change the theme of your application. Right, to change the light mode or dark mode of your application. Okay, so what we have done in the summary is create a class with the change notifier, right, and then we have lifted the state up, that is made it available to the main app. Okay, and then we have accessed the variables and the functions of this class using provider.off. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you got the concept of this. Bye bye.